Okay, so as I thought, I did want to have a look at this corner because the water has been coming in here. It's been obviously sitting on the underside of the surface. This gypsum is not in good shape right here. This is like a corner board. You can see there is mold developing. There's mold in there. So what I'd like to do, the best thing to do is to replace this board here, and I'd like to cut out a section over to here to the wall, triangular section, and replace a small triangle there of the ceiling. I think it would also be interesting, maybe I can peek my head up there and see what's going on. But it's really the best thing to do rather than, just putting on joint compound, building that material up, because that does have mold developing in it. Not a good idea. Up here also, on this tape joint, that's where the water is going to find the joints, and as it did, you can see the stain. So up on here, I'd also like to cut out a triangular section running over there and to the wall, and I'd like to replace that as well. This I pushed around, although there is a stain there. I mean, I'll do a little scraping. This needs attention right here. The water is going to seek these joints as it did seek the joints. I don't know whether it's necessary to cut out a larger piece of this ceiling board here and replace it. But this definitely should be replaced. This material here in a triangular shape until I find solid blue board or green board, whatever they put on the ceiling. Replace that. Replace this section up here. Obviously clean it up. I'll have good seams. Then paint the entire ceiling. I think I can just hit that with Kilz, which is a stain blocker. A couple coats of that, and then we should roll out the entire ceiling in ceiling white, so that it all blends, okay? That is, I think, a minimal job. Now let's have a look at the other section over there. Okay, so here, better news. This was where we had water had entered in through there. That material's in pretty good shape. I can't really find any punk or severely compromised gypsum board. I think repaper that, caulk it, clean those up. This is, I pushed pretty hard on this watermark on the ceiling. I don't feel any soft, the material, the gypsum on the ceiling. I think that's in pretty good shape. I think this is Kilz, a couple coats of Kilz, a stain block, kill that stain. When we roll out the ceiling, we'll blend that in here. I think this is all good news. This is basically just filling it in with mud, joint compound, building it up, caulking those, hitting it with a primer, stain killer, and we'll roll this entire wall out so that it doesn't flash, because unfortunately I can use this for the spectra analyzer. There's a section there where they can get a good match on the paint. I'm pretty sure that is a satin or a semi-gloss. It's got a little bit of a gloss. So not a big deal. Most of the work done right there. A little bit of replacement of material on the ceiling there. Also underneath in that, not really a soffit, I guess it is a soffit, triangular sections. And I would like to take the opportunity when I take that ceiling out, I'm going to poke my head up there. I want to see what the heck's going on, because it's a good opportunity to do it. We'll replace that joint strip right there, joint compound, sand it up, make it beautiful, hit it with primer, paint the ceiling, paint the wall there. We may be able to just run a portion of this wall rather than rolling the entire wall out, because if I run a straight line down there, I may be able to conceal it. I'll see how it looks, just to, to conserve materials, try to do some cost control for you. If it flashes, if it looks bad, then I will roll out that entire wall as well, because we don't want it to flash. Okay.